morning, guys. It's another Christmas in the village. Yay! Today is Christmas Eve, and it's an early wake up for all of us because we need to prepare for Christmas. Look. The flowers are growing. Flower here na nke na anwụ ọkwụbo ibo wi ha. Ọkwa anwụ ka ọ na-anwụ. Yeah, the cow this morning. I couldn't cook yesterday because no meat. There's no way I am going to the market to buy meat when there's a cow here. All right, say hello. That's in the background. Big brother. Good morning. Ma, good morning. You come on now. Ma, so you can swap. I'm going to make a strength. Good morning, everybody. It's another Christmas. Blood. Can I know your fans? Now, no take one. What a view. Yeah. Can I your fans? Then I been.
I make everybody. I bet you but I am on the road 24 December.
Hey.
I'm on the Baham New Year.
Hey.
What about Christmas again?
Hey.
So, what I can one chief match, my big bros.
Yeah, my speech you buy a chili way. Yes, we can do it.
I'm buying to me when I'm a speech, but the two baby went on.
Oh, like I hear prefer one. Oh, yeah, in a practice.
I make them do Bodoibo.
Oh,
Damn Lana, one on with it.
eh,
On whenever Nigeria.
eh.
When Nigeria goes out of Alatona did or shame and about Chandam mother.
Man, a happy Hannah.
I mean, but I don't want.
Hey,
Was on and I let one lady and long woman.
hey,
Ladder.
hey.
So, Mother Kijera, no mum. I am one hand, man. Chairman.
Oh, you're in the background.
On no car, no car.
Nebuchadnezzar here we. What is here? Now, wow.
I do around 5 o'clock dot.
Wait, oh, how if you're in? If you're able to,
I'm not doing.
Obi Hibuko if you last year. If you last year, if you last year, put a level and no driven in it. Or can that way, huh? Oh, no, what I acquire. Get one in Pim. Again, I had a doconia for no more. You need young.
They carry a macunara Asian.
It too full, yeah. Oh, American, okay. If for in pink, pecker, oh, if you are pecker, okay, big if you can have small MP.
I say
Really? Nobody in the has no. See the congealed blood of a cow. Here they are starting the fire for burning the hide to make edible cow skin. That premium cow skin I always talk about in my recipes videos. See the kanda. Premium kanda. Ooh.
You'll be able to get it for 1,000.
I am not quite in our usual spot. Then they're killing cow. Observing. Observers. Never this Uber the observer. What is strange. Cleaning the cow skin. Pomo. Kanda. Yeah, and can Elena Lagos so when na there.
Kanda 10 years.
What's 10 years?
I tell you.
Guy, look at this is the premium kanda with meat inside. Look at it. Look at. Yeah. Yeah, the one they sell. This is the already cleaned one. The one they sell in Lagos. Yeah, that's what I always tell people. The one they sell in Lagos, there's nothing inside.
All the kings in Lagos, mom.
It's because of that one in that type in Lagos that I hated kanda before. But my husband introduced me to this kind of kanda, and since then I like it. The chin. This is the tail. You're gonna kind of get it like 5,000. Yeah. Every part one. Oh, all the more than 5,000. 10,000. Keep 115,000. He may like 15,000. He like he got 15,000. You know that I joke. You see 15,000. Okay, no nani. Iyi na mo kwa nuku uki ile. Mgbe ya ka nka kete isi otu no na-aga. Iye men imecha ọsịsọ kịta mgbe ị kalụ nka ọbịa n'ukwu nke na-emezi mgbe ahụ. A suya different for blala blue bulaba. They cleaned the cow tripe so well, such that it went from this dirty mass here to this. I have a detailed video coming up on the process they use to clean it, so watch out for that. It's magical. This is how you get white shaki. Cleaned beyond recognition. Another mpu for me. Hey! Lolo. Iya kpuchani ofuma. Iya kpuchi ofuma.
Ibo le nwuru ivuru ile abia. Ka le ele mmemme vuru ile abia. So onye Igbo yo. Ka le ihe ogbara vuru ile abia. Gwakpo ndị ọcha shikara ka ọla ogbara vuru.
So nga ndị ọcha.
Aru ha gwa ajo ihe kara ka ọla ogbara.
Ọṅụgo hero. Aka na-atụzi ya nkọ. Ọ na-akụzi egwu ebe a. Toyo, nyezi ọnụokwu ekwuzi okwu.
Mango, aracha mmanụ ka abala. Arachago mmanụ.
Simple maro.
Ndị okwu ha na-eme
for moi moi. Ndị okwu ha na-eme shaking.
Ụmụaka na-adịghị akwụ nwa ọtọ.
Inye ha ya.
Or ha draw strong, draw keke.
Very strong. We use it for moi moi buli kwe. Hey. Where is that Osilora? Hey! Where is our Osilora for the season? Hey! This is our Osilora for the Christmas season. Hey! If you see how this lady washes meat, you only want her to wash meat for you, all the Afano, cow tribe and all the Bobo Tibu, all the Pomo. She's cooking. She's cooking bitter leaf soup. Correct umunze bitter leaf soup. This is the meat going in. Can you need gasi? Stockfish, dry fish, crayfish, all the fishes, salt, ogiri. Yeah. Okay, let me go and introduce yourself first. Who are you?
My name is Chinyere.
Anambra State. Na-esi ana m emekwa esiri ọra but ihe eji maa m ada mangala. Ana m ere mangala. Yes. Mangala na azụ fere crayfish ka m na-ere. I promised my family meat pies last Christmas, but due to how busy I was, it did not happen. I already took the decision that meat pies shall not pass us by this year. It must surely happen. So here I am making the beef mince for the filling. My trusty chopper is on hand to do the job very well. Because he kept cook wherever. Now I cut you out of them. Just like in Calcutta. I put the beef mince in the freezer pending the day we'll make the meat pie for the whole family. Trust me, we turned this place into a bakery that day. Can you peep the meats under? My ladies meticulously washed the meat and put them in plastic bags and stored in the freezer. And the first soup of the day is ready. Bitter leaf soup, chilling here till they've cooled down completely before putting them in the freezer.